Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. So Bitcoin is touching 40K again. I gotta admit, I think Bitcoin is going to $45,000. It's breaking the weekly to highs. The monthly is starting to show weaker signs of bear momentum. On the daily, it does look like we might break back to the downside. I think we might retest like $37. But I don't know. It seems likely that after breaking towards the upside, it looks like like I said, we might come back to 37K, 37, like the highs of 37K. We might retest 38K and shoot to the upside. But look at the weekly though. Look at that weekly candle. Look at this. Look at that weekly candle. This is kind of the same thing as how we would see. How we would use the breakout strategy to see what's playing out. But in a case like this, it's breaking that 38.1 support or that 38.1 resistance, which kind of it's going. I'm telling you, man, this looks like it's headed back to 45K. If we do close on the bullish side in the next 4 days or so, and we're not at 45K, I'm like 99% sure we're going to 45,000. As of right now, I'm almost positive that we're going to 45K. But if we close in 4 days on this bullish candle, I don't know. I want to say that we definitely have a very, very, very good chance of going back to 45K. I'm gonna be straightforward. I don't know if we're gonna actually end up closing the month of July bearish for Bitcoin. If we do not close bearish for July, and we close bear neutral, I basically go from being a full-on bear and thinking we're gonna go to 26K on Bitcoin. I go from thinking that we're going to 26K that I think that we might actually run towards. Let me see, what's the low here? 28. What's 28 times 3? What is 28 times 3 actually? Yeah, so I think that if we do close bear neutral for the month of July, I think that the next high that we see on Bitcoin is gonna be a little bit under 90K. Once we hit 90K, I'm probably gonna sell everything out of my crypto portfolio because I do expect another drop to the downside. But again, if this month closes bear neutral, I might not be completely bearish on Bitcoin anymore. I might actually start to accumulate some positions for the month of August and actually start buying a little bit more Bitcoin, especially a lot more Ethereum. But again, right now it's looking like all signs are pointing for Bitcoin to run to 45K. I would not be surprised if we see Bitcoin this week at $45,000.